got this absolutely stunning 2016 Jaguar F Type. Now, if you've got a Jaguar F Type and you want Apple Carplay or Android Auto, we can add that to this vehicle and keep the factory system. So nothing will change, you'll still keep the original stereo system, but we'll just give you extra added functions. Come in and have a look. If you're used to this with your F Type, this is the Harman system. So if I fire it up, this media screen, that is the Harman system. Okay, now this is a Jaguar F Type Coupe, and again, if you've got the convertible version, we need to know the difference whether you've got convertible version or the coupe, and different versions of the F Type will have different software. So when you want to make an inquiry, we need a picture of this screen in this kind of menu so that we know what version of software we've got to buy the right parts. But as you can see, this is the original system. Very boring, very difficult to use touch screen, so it's not too bad, but it's very slow and it doesn't really do a lot. So we've added wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto depending on which phone you've got. And to get into Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, you just hold down the home button to give you a fantastic new system. So now you can use all the latest mapping from Apple Maps or Google Maps. Touchscreen still works, so we've got Google Maps there. So you've got fully up-to-date mapping, so no more using the original Jaguar navigation system and contacting Jag and saying, can I have a new updated mapping system, which will cost you a fortune and will still be out of date. This is going to give you a whole new level of usability. So if you want to make a phone call, you just touch this. So as you can see, this looks just like your iPhone now. If you want to make a phone call, you just touch that and it'll bring up all the contacts that's on your mobile phone. If you're into your music or radio, you can have Spotify. If you've got Spotify on your phone, it'll play all that. And we use, I do personally, is radio player. So this has all your favorite radio stations all streamed. So if you want to listen to a radio station now, you can store your favorite stations down here, and then when you're happy to play a radio station, just press the button and it will play that radio station. Now with YouTube, we've copyrighted, so we don't allow us to play any kind of music, so there will be no sound, but it does work. Okay, so look at that, absolutely fantastic. But if you decide I don't want to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, you can just go back to the original system and just play normal radio if you so wish. Simple. But for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto to work, to get audio, it must be set to the auxiliary. So if we go to source, got auxiliary, then you'll get sound from Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. But in my opinion, you would never come out of the original Jaguar system now. You'd always use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. If you've got reverse camera as well, it will still keep the original reversing camera and still work on the screen. When you put it into reverse, you still get all the functions your car used to have, plus your reverse camera. And then when you take it out, it'll go back to what you were using originally. So you've just got so much more usable functions on your car. As soon as you switch the car off, it all goes to sleep and back to normal. Hope you like what we do. Give us a call, 01626 242 555, or visit our website, phaceinstallations.co.uk. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.